From the first tweet that sold $2.9 million or the disaster girl meme that sold for more than $500,000, the non-fungible token NFT not only made headlines, but also earned a lot of money. Like any new technology, it makes executives think, can we create value for my business? Hey crypto lovers, it is Crypto Billionaire, your friendly neighborhood crypto and financial education channel. No author at Crypto Billionaire YouTube channel guarantees any losses incurred while investing, as we do not provide financial advice, and crypto markets are high-risk markets. The sole purpose of the information posted on the YouTube channel is for education only. So with that, let us begin. In today's video, we'll learn more about some of the opportunities that NFTs create. But before beginning with our video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the latest cryptocurrency discussions. Just for our newer guests, NFT is a blockchain-based monetization record that contains unique, non-exchangeable information representing digital assets. NFT can be linked to any form of digital assets such as art, text, video, photos, songs, or lines of code. NFT can also represent any digitally represented artifact, digitized physical assets in token form. To know more about NFTs, you can refer to our video in the I button in the top right corner. Now back to the topic. NFT is not just another speculative asset. NFTs provide opportunities for digital business leaders because they enable organizations to create new business models, expand the value of existing products and services, and enter new markets. They also provide an alternative way to invest and finance projects, as well as opportunities to trade and invest in new digital asset classes. Regarding the opportunities that NFTs bring and how technology affects digital businesses, executive leaders need to understand the following 4 things. NFT shows the value of programmability. NFT is a programmable instrument. They can be programmed using blockchain-enabled technology to reflect and enforce predetermined conditions or rules set by the issuer. Cryptocurrency is often the preferred medium of exchange, and its purpose is that there is no centralized intermediary in the market. However, it should be noted that the current competition to become the dominant NFT market is very fierce. So, as the market matures, there is a risk of market power concentration. One of the benefits of decentralization is that it provides the ability to obtain value directly from asset creators, initially in sales and possibly as a form of annuity. For example, artists can now purchase through NFT and be directly compensated by sponsors. Artists can also define the royalty rate and decide whether to transfer the copyrights. Therefore, NFT provides another building block for decentralized financial infrastructure to accommodate non-human participants, such as smart machines. The century-old economic structure that relied on government-issued currency imposes restrictions on how commercial transactions are conducted and how assets are valued and exchanged. These non-digital financial systems hinder the creation and fair distribution of economic value. It can make all assets, whether physical assets or digital assets, interchangeable and allow new forms of assets, such as social media reputation or social behavior, to be valued, thereby accelerating the development of digital businesses. This opens the door to bringing a variety of new digital product developments to a large number of new audiences. For example, the National Basketball Association. The Top Shot Moments program launched this spring to create digital markers for memorable dunks and other scoring video clips. In this case, the data exchange between the fan community and the NBA itself can become a data asset. Use NFT to value business-generated data assets, such as sales or customer behavior. In this way, NFT provides the opportunity to explore digital business segmentation. Any type of asset can be digitized, and the number represents monetization. Peer-to-peer trading. The terms and conditions for conducting business are set by business participants, not central intermediaries. This means that participants who were previously disenfranchised can now access and use assets that were not available. Unlike global trading, which is limited to a known amount of asset stock, in NFT and decentralized finance, the sum of each part is many times greater than the total. Now comes the question, if you aren't an artist, then how can you leverage the NFT's booming market? Of course, buying NFT company tokens is one way to go, but there are some notable sustainable options. First, create an NFT online course. If you know a thing or two about the NFT ecosystem and know how to mint, produce, and sell them, consider creating a course or masterclass to help bring newcomers up to speed. You can charge participants for a week-long bootcamp or a semester-long course depending on your level of expertise and investment. Number 2, write an NFT-themed blog. The web is desperate for well-written and informative NFT-related content. There's a huge potential readership for any blog that covers NFTs and the news surrounding them. Then you can monetize the blog with ads or affiliate links that after you develop a dedicated readership. Number 3, create an NFT forum. The internet needs more spaces for NFT creators, sellers, and enthusiasts to discuss their projects. Creating an NFT exclusive forum that rivals Bitcoin Talk could become an extremely lucrative endeavor, especially if you run banner ads. Number 4, become an NFT broker. NFTs are being bought and sold in record numbers. Naturally, there's a high demand for secure, encrypted marketplaces and brokerages that allow buyers and sellers to view, commission, and transact NFTs. Number 5, craft an NFT newsletter. There aren't many, if any, NFT-themed newsletters that take a deep dive into the subject. If you can aggregate all the latest NFT news, press releases, major auction sales, and market developments into a short monthly or weekly newsletter, you could have a very profitable venture on your hands. Number 6, write an NFT ebook. It's not unheard of to earn 6 figures, potentially even 7 figures, in royalties from a best-selling cryptocurrency ebook. If you're a gifted writer, consider self-publishing an ebook on NFTs, exploring the subject from as many angles as possible while providing actionable advice to those who want to get started with NFT investing. Number 7, create a white label NFT service. The NFT market needs a Shopify-like service that can bring a project to life with little to no additional development. If you can launch an off-the-shelf NFT service to help develop NFT ventures, you could become one of the most popular white label platforms in the blockchain industry. Number 8, become an NFT artist. Even if you're not the savviest physical artist in the world, there's nothing stopping you from producing digital art, even if it's abstract. Then you can convert the art into an NFT and market it on popular forums such as Reddit, DeviantArt, or Wet Canvas. Number 9, create NFT collectibles. As a digital medium, NFTs lend themselves well to preserving and authenticating collectibles. For example, you could mint NFTs out of authentic collectible items, such as sports trading cards or autograph photos. Number 10, launch an NFT app. Centralized apps for buying, selling, trading, or even minting NFTs are likely high demand. An app that mimics BidBeacon or Bidding Owl but is solely focused on the NFT market could be a highly lucrative project if you take a commission off every sale. NFT is just getting into shape. Remember the days when cryptos were like a joke to people? A man bought 2 pizzas with 10k bitcoins. The world's most expensive pizzas, I guess. What are your thoughts about it? Let us know in the comments section below. Be sure to like and share it with your friends and family to keep them updated. And one last thing. I don't know what it is that you're gonna do with that red color button below. You know what? Just click it. I don't know, man. It must be changed from red to gray because I really don't like that red color. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.